Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-up and select pair. After that, wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But you can always disconnect them by tapping on the secure icon next to the device and choosing on pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!